Now to the case of 3 people accused in connection to the robbery and shooting death of a local pizza delivery driver. Back in March of last year, Chesapeake police found 30-year-old Stephanie Brainerd shot to death in her car. Well, today, the suspects were in court. Defending your side's Tamara Scott was there and joins us live with new information tonight. Tamara?
Well, Tom, it's only the beginning. Today here in court, we heard a change in heart in one of the people charged. We saw new evidence and we learned what will come next. It was a closed courtroom today where Britton, Davidson, and Ravenel faced a judge. They were there for their preliminary hearings. All 3, along with their attorneys, stood at the bench where Davidson right off the top decided to waive her right to a preliminary hearing. That meant she was only there to testify against the 2 other men facing similar charges. She was very soft-spoken. She said that she knew both of the other defendants, and on the night of the murder and police pursuit, they were pulling the strings. She even in her testimony said that she saw Antonio Britton pull the trigger on the delivery driver. In a cross-examination, their attorney argued that her testimony is the exact opposite from what she said the night she was questioned. She said that night she was scared, and that's why she said something differently. The attorneys claimed she was inconsistent and unreliable. Another witness to testify today was Officer Mills, who was there the night of the murder and police pursuit. He showed a pizza delivery bag and receipt that was found in the back of the vehicle once they were pulled over. We also heard testimony from a cellmate of Britton's who says Britton told him he pulled the trigger. However, once again, his attorney argued that testimony is fueled by alternative motives in his own separate personal cases. Nevertheless, all evidence and testimony has been certified to a grand jury. Now, to be clear, there are no murder charges charged at this point. Davidson, Britton, and Ravenel are all facing felony firearm and robbery charges. Their cases will be moved to a grand jury on February 4th. In Chesapeake, Tamara Scott, 10 on your side.